Hello my dear kids, I hope you all are fit and healthy at your places. Stay home, stay safe. This is your English teacher Himani Joshi and today we are heading towards the third part of speech, that is adjective. Okay, how will you say it? Adjective. Here D is silent. Okay, here D is silent. Okay, while pronouncing it we will not say ed. Okay, we will not say, never ever say ed. Okay, this is wrong. adjective, we say it adjective. Okay, adjective, not adjective. Adjective is wrong. We say it, we pronounce it adjective. Okay, adjective. So in our previous videos we have studied about the two parts of speech, nouns and pronouns. Okay, we have studied about nouns. What are nouns? Nouns are the names of persons, places, animals and things. This we have studied. You all are well aware about nouns. Okay, next we have covered the second part of speech, that is pronouns. Okay, so pronouns are the words that we use in the place of nouns. Okay, like Ram is a noun. So for Ram we can use he, him, his. For Riya is a girl. Okay, and it is a noun. We can use she, her. And for non-living things and animals we can use it. This much we have learned in our previous videos, and today we are going to study about adjectives. Okay, not adjectives. Adjectives is wrong. Okay, adjective, D is silent. Adjective. Alright. Dear kids, before diving into our today's topic, let me tell you about the incident took place yesterday. It is quite funny. Yesterday I sent my brother to the shop and told him to bring pens. I had given him 100 rupee note. As I was busy in some other work, I gave no description about the pens. Okay, pens is a noun. Okay, so I had given no description about the noun. He went to the shop and bought 10 pens for me. When he returned back, I told him to return 8 pens back. He did the same. When I started doing my work, I found that those pens were of green color, but I wanted red color pens. So I sent him back and told him to bring red pens, 2 red pens. So children, see how much chaos took place only because of the shortage of knowledge. Okay, shortage of knowledge about the noun. So what do you understand? That the specific knowledge, the additional knowledge about the noun is equally important. Okay, so at first I told him to bring only pens. So he had bought 10 pens for me. Okay, so second time I told him to return the 8 pens. Now I have 2 pens. Okay, I had told him to return 8 pens. So how many pens are left with me? 2 pens. Okay, so this time when I found that the pens were not of the red color, then I sent him back and told him to bring red pens. Okay, so see, these two words are giving us additional information about the noun pen. Okay, so what we have understood, that the noun is very important, but the additional information about the noun is equally important. Okay, because when we have the shortage of knowledge, when we have the shortage of information, it can create problem and waste our time. So when I give him proper description about the noun, pen, he bought the correct things. Okay, so it is important to get the proper information about the nouns. Okay, so to and red are adjectives. One more thing we have observed here, that two adjectives can also come together when they both are describing about the noun. So here this word to and so here these words to and red are giving us the additional information about the noun pen. So these both are adjectives. To is the number, okay, and red is the quality, okay. So so the words which tell us additional information about a noun or pronoun are the adjectives, okay, in term of quality, quantity, number, okay. So in term of quality, quantity and number, adjectives provide information, additional information about the nouns and pronouns also, okay. Usually adjectives come before the noun, like here adjective to and adjective red, these both adjectives are coming before the noun, okay. But adjectives may also come after the noun. Let me give you one example. This car is red, full stop. So here you can see what is noun? Car. Car is noun here, okay. And generally the adjectives come before the noun. So here this is adjective, okay. It is also giving the additional information about the noun, okay. This car, which car? This car. So this word, the word this is also giving us the additional information about the noun car. Here one more adjective is given, that is after the noun red, okay, red. So red is also an adjective which is coming after the noun, okay. So red is also adjective here. So what we have understood, usually the adjectives come before the noun, but they may come after the noun also, okay. I have written here 4 sentences, and with the help of these sentences we will learn how to identify the adjectives in the sentences, okay. So first we should identify the nouns, okay. So here Riya is noun and girl is noun, okay. But before, as I have told you, usually adjectives come before the noun. So here it is not given anything before Riya, isn't it? Is there given anything? No. So here the girl is noun here, and before the girl it is given intelligent, okay. Intelligent is here adjective, okay. Intelligent is here adjective because it is giving us additional information about the girl, okay. What kind of a girl? Intelligent girl. Oh, so intelligent is an adjective. It is coming before the noun and it is giving us additional information about the noun girl, okay. जो ये girl है इसके बारे में हमें additional information मिल रही है, okay. So intelligent is adjective because it is giving us additional information about the noun, and it is also giving us the answer of what kind. What kind of a girl? Intelligent girl. So intelligent is adjective. Next, I earn more money than he does. So we will find out noun first. Here money is noun, isn't it? And it is uncountable noun because we cannot count money. We can count rupees but not money, okay. So money is noun here, and what I have told you, usually the adjectives come before the noun. So see the before word more, okay. So it also gives us the answer of how much. How much money? More money. May I earn more money than he does. मैं earn करता हूँ, कमाता हूँ ज़्यादा money, ज़्यादा पैसे किसी थर्ड पर्सन की बात करें देन ही डज, ओके. जितना वो कमाता है मैं उससे ज़्यादा कमाता हूँ, ठीक है. I earn more money than he does. So we are getting additional information about money. क्या additional information मिली कि मैं उससे ज्यादा कमाता हूँ. Okay, so it is an adjective because it is also giving us the answer of how much. Okay, and it is coming before the noun. Okay, next, I have 2 sisters. So which is the noun here? Sisters. Okay, sisters is noun. I am writing N for noun. So here we have given that I have 2 sisters. With this word we have got to know that the person has 2 sisters. Okay, so हमें क्या मिला? We have got additional information. Okay, that this person has 2 sisters. Okay, so 2 is adjective here and it gives the meaning, it gives the answer of how many sisters? 2 sisters. At the same time it is coming before the noun. Usually adjectives come before the nouns and adjectives give us answer of what kind, how much, how many, which one. Alright, what kind of a girl? Intelligent girl. Intelligent is adjective. How much money? More money. How many sisters? 2 sisters. So 2 is giving us the additional information about the noun. Which one? That red one. Okay, kindly open your books, page number 35. We will try to solve question number A and learn to identify the adjectives. Okay, the first question is, a hungry fox requested the crow to sing a song. Here nouns are already highlighted with blue color. So what we will see? The previous word. Okay, the before word of noun. See here, hungry fox. So before fox, what is given here? Hungry. Okay, this word hungry is giving us additional information about the noun fox. Okay, so what kind of fox? Hungry fox. Okay, so hungry is adjective. Okay, adjective. Next, the mad dog was in search of tasty food. So we have they have highlighted 2 nouns, dog, food. So we will see the previous word. Okay, what kind of dog? Mad dog. So here it is given the quality of dog, that the dog is mad. So mad is adjective. Next, food is tasty. The quality of food is tasty. So tasty is adjective here. Next, a kind woman gave the beggars some food. So what is the quality of woman? Kind. Okay, so kind is adjective. Next, the tame animal wore a collar on its neck. Animal is a noun. Okay, before the noun it is given tame. So the quality of animal is tame. So tame is an adjective. Next, animal. The huge animal was tamed by the hunters. So here we have given additional information about the animal, that the animal is very huge, very big. Okay, so huge is also an adjective. Okay, let me give you one more information about the adjectives. You might have studied about the, and, okay, articles. ARTICLES. Okay, articles are not the parts of speech, not the parts of speech. Okay, on the other hand, the articles are the parts of adjectives. Okay, these are the adjectives only. Why? Because these words also modify and describe the nouns and pronouns. As I have told you, whatever describes or modifies the noun and pronoun is an adjective. Okay, जो भी modify करता है noun को या pronoun को, ठीक है, वो क्या होता है? Adjective. So see question number A only. A hungry fox. What kind of fox? A hungry fox. With this word a, we have got the information that we are talking about one fox. Okay, one fox. Okay, but it is not specified. We are not talking about any particular fox. So a and an we use for non-specific things. Okay, non-specific. Okay, for non-specific, and the we use for specific. Okay, specific things, specific particular things. Okay, particular persons and animals. Okay, when I say ox, if I am saying an ox, it means I am talking about the ox. Okay, and we are not, and I am not talking about any particular ox here. Okay, so but this word is also giving information about the noun ox, that and means one, and we use for one. So for noun ox it is given one, so it is giving us the information that ox is one. कितने ox है? One ox है. ठीक है, अगर मैंने बोला a fox, here also we are getting information about the fox that it is one in number. Okay, so and a and the fox. If I am writing the fox, it means I am talking about the particular fox. Okay, so these all things are giving us additional information about the nouns. Okay, in your book you will not underline the, a and an, but you should learn that these are also the parts of adjective. Okay, all the cardinal and ordinal numbers are also the adjectives. Cardinal numbers. Okay, CARDINAL, cardinal and ordinal. Okay, cardinal numbers like 1. Okay, ordinal numbers like first, second. Okay, if I am saying I have 3 apples, 3 apples, so here apple is noun, so what I am saying, 3 apples, so this word is giving us additional information, so this is an adjective. Okay, if I am saying, if suppose I have kept 3 apples in a row. Okay, like this is first apple, this is second apple, and this is third apple. So if I say bring the third apple, bring the third apple, we can write this like this also. Okay, if I say bring the third apple, bring the third apple, so this word is again giving us additional information about the noun apple. So third is an adjective. So all the cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers are the adjectives. Okay, first we can write like this also, V1 then ST, second like this, but some of you write like this. Okay, it is totally wrong. We should not write like this. We don't write STRDTH. Okay, we don't write these things. We can write 1 then ST, 2 then ND. But if we are writing it in the form of Roman numbers, so we write it like this. Okay, 3 को हम कैसे लिखते हैं? ऐसे लिखते हैं. But if you are writing it, if you are writing RD after this Roman number, it is wrong. Okay, you should not write RDST. Okay, TH, we should not write these things with Roman numbers. Okay, so cardinal numbers are 1. Okay, and number names are also the cardinal numbers. When we are writing more than one adjective with noun, we always write size or number first, then the color. Okay, Like here we have written the number first 2, then the color red, then pens. 2 red pens. So this I have told you that more than one adjectives can also come in a sentence, in a single sentence or before the nouns. Okay, like old fluffy dog, old fluffy dog. So dog is here noun. So these two words are describing about the noun, that the dog is old and fluffy also. Okay, so these both are adjectives. Alright. So what we have learned today, that adjectives are the words that modify and describe about the nouns. Okay, in terms of quality, quantity, color, quality, quantity, number, color, shape. Okay, so these are the adjectives. In the term of quality, like big building. So big is giving us the quality. Okay, quantity like much, little. Okay, there is little water in the glass. So little is also giving us the information, okay, about the water, little water. Okay, about the water we have got the information that there is only little water. Little means na ke barabar pani. Okay, so little water. This word gives us the quantity. Okay, quality with big, quantity with much, little. Okay, number like 1, 2. Okay, and interesting. This is also an adjective. Okay, color like red, green, blue. These are also the adjectives. So what we have learned today, that adjectives are the words that describe about the nouns, and pronouns give the adjectives give us additional information about the nouns and pronouns. Okay, and usually adjectives come before the noun. I hope you all have learned about adjectives pretty well, and now you will solve the exercises of your book by yourself. Okay, if you get confused somewhere, then I am here for you between 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. You can call me and ask me. Okay, and you are free to call and ask me. Don't hesitate to call. Alright, and do your work in your books properly with neat and clean handwriting, and do your work on time. Don't leave your work pending. You have to do your work on time with full of concentration. Okay, so thank you for listening me patiently. We will meet in our next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.